Looking for a reliable ride that won't drain your wallet? American cars can deliver unbeatable durability on a budget. Today, we're diving into the 17 cheap American cars under $10,000 that last forever. Get ready for budget-friendly classics that keep rolling mile after mile. 1. Ford Crown Victoria, 2003 to 2011, $5,000 to $8,000. The Ford Crown Victoria is a legend among taxi drivers and police fleets. Built like a tank with its 4.6-liter V8 engine and body-on-frame construction. Known for easily surpassing 300,000 miles with basic maintenance, this full-size sedan offers a spacious interior and smooth ride. Owners on Cars.com, 2025, praise its low repair costs, with one 2008 owner stating, "My Vic's at 350,000 miles. Still runs like a dream with just oil changes and brakes." Its robust design makes it a top pick for anyone seeking a reliable, affordable cruiser that stands the test of time. 2. Chevrolet Impala, 2006 to 2013, $4,000 to $9,000. The Chevrolet Impala, equipped with a 3.5-liter or 3.9-liter V6 engine, is a family sedan renowned for its longevity, often hitting 250,000 miles with routine care. Its comfortable cabin and dependable performance make it a budget-friendly gem. Edmunds, 2025, highlights its affordability in the used market, noting its value for commuters. A 2010 Impala owner on Reddit shared, "Mine's at 280,000 miles. Only needed basic maintenance." The Impala's blend of reliability and practicality makes it a standout for those needing a durable daily driver. 3. Dodge Grand Caravan, 2008 to 2012, $5,000 to $9,000. The Dodge Grand Caravan is a minivan icon, with its 3.3-liter or 3.8-liter V6 engines frequently exceeding 200,000 miles. Its versatile interior, with stowable seats, suits families or small business owners. Kelley Blue Book, 2025, praises its low ownership costs, making it a practical choice. A CarGurus forum user noted, "My 2009 Caravan's at 230,000 miles. Still hauls my kids and gear without a hitch." This minivan's durability and functionality make it a budget winner for those needing space and reliability. 4. Ford Taurus, 2000 to 2007, $3,000 to $7,000. The Ford Taurus, particularly with the 3.0-liter V6 Vulcan engine, is a durability champion, with many owners reporting 300,000-plus miles with regular oil changes and minor repairs. Its spacious cabin and smooth ride appeal to budget-conscious buyers. Consumer Reports, 2025, lauds its long-term reliability. A 2005 Taurus owner on Reddit said, "Mine's at 310,000 miles. Engine's still strong, just replaced the shocks." The Taurus's affordability and toughness make it a go-to for those seeking a no-frills sedan that lasts. 5. Chrysler 300, 2005 to 2010, $6,000 to $10,000. The Chrysler 300, with its 2.7-liter or 3.5-liter V6 engines, combines bold styling with impressive longevity, often reaching 250,000 miles. Its luxurious interior offers a premium feel on a budget. Motor Trend, 2025, highlights its value in the used market. An owner on Cars.com shared, "My 2007 300 is at 270,000 miles. Still feels like a luxury car." The 300's blend of durability and distinctive design makes it a favorite for buyers wanting style without sacrificing reliability. 6. Suspense Moment, Buick LeSabre. You won't believe the sixth car, a classic that's a hidden gem for durability. Guess in the comments before we reveal. Buick LeSabre, 2000 to 2005, $3,000 to $6,000. The LeSabre's 3.8-liter V6 is a legend, often reaching 300,000 miles with minimal issues. Its plush ride suits long drives. Edmunds, 2025, calls it a reliability king. A Reddit user said, "My 2003 LeSabres at 320,000 miles only replaced the alternator." 7. Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 2003 to 2007, $6,000 to $10,000. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, with its 4.3-liter V6 or 4.8-liter V8 engines, is a workhorse pickup, often surpassing 300,000 miles with proper care. Its rugged frame suits towing, hauling, or daily driving. Kelley Blue Book, 2025, praises its longevity and versatility. A CarGurus owner said, "My 2005 Silverado's at 290,000 miles. Still tows my boat every weekend." The Silverado's toughness makes it a top choice for those needing a reliable truck on a budget. 8. Ford Ranger, 2001 to 2011, $4,000 to $8,000. The Ford Ranger's 2.3-liter four-cylinder or 4.0-liter V6 engines are known for durability, often exceeding 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Its compact size is perfect for city driving or light work. Consumer Reports, 2025, highlights its low repair costs. A Reddit user shared, "My 2008 Ranger's at 260,000 miles. Bulletproof engine, just tires and brakes." The Ranger's reliability and affordability make it a practical pick for budget-conscious buyers. 9. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2005 to 2010, $5,000 to $9,000. The Jeep Grand Cherokee's 3.7-liter V6 or 4.7-liter V8 engines offer reliability, with many hitting 200,000 miles. Its off-road capability and comfortable interior appeal to adventure seekers. Motor Trend, 2025, notes its value in the used market. A Cars.com owner said, "My 2007 Cherokee's at 240,000 miles, still tackles trails like a champ." The Grand Cherokee's durability makes it a versatile SUV for budget buyers. 10. Pontiac Grand Prix, 2004 to 2008, $3,000 to $7,000. The Pontiac Grand Prix's 3.8-liter V6 engine is a durability standout, often reaching 250,000 miles with routine care. Its sporty design and smooth ride make it a budget gem. Edmunds, 2025, praises its longevity. A Reddit user noted, "My 2006 Grand Prix is at 270,000 miles. Runs like new with basic upkeep." The Grand Prix's reliability and flair make it a great pick for enthusiasts. 11. Dodge Charger, 2006 to 2010, $6,000 to $10,000. The Dodge Charger's 3.5-liter V6 offers reliability, with many hitting 200,000 miles. Its bold styling appeals to enthusiasts. Kelley Blue Book, 2025, notes its affordability. A CarGurus owner said, "My 2008 Charger's at 230,000 miles. Still turns heads." 12. Ford Escape, 2005 to 2012, $4,000 to $8,000. The Ford Escape's 2.3-liter or 3.0-liter engines are reliable, often surpassing 200,000 miles. Its compact SUV design suits families. Consumer Reports, 2025, highlights its value. A Reddit user shared, "My 2009 Escape's at 220,000 miles. Great daily driver." 13. Chevrolet Malibu, 2004 to 2008, $3,000 to $6,000. The Chevrolet Malibu's 2.2-liter or 3.5-liter engines are known for longevity, with some reaching 250,000 miles. Its comfortable ride is ideal for commuters. Edmunds, 2025, praises its low cost. A Cars.com owner said, "My 2007 Malibu's at 260,000 miles. Super reliable." 14. Chrysler Town Country, 2008 to 2012, $5,000 to $9,000. The Chrysler Town Country's 3.8-liter V6 is durable, often hitting 200,000 miles. Its family-friendly features make it a minivan favorite. Kelley Blue Book, 2025, notes its value. A Reddit user said, "My 2010 Town & Country's at 210,000 miles. Still hauls the kids." 15. Ford Mustang, 2005 to 2010, $6,000 to $10,000. The Ford Mustang's 4.0-liter V6 is a reliable workhorse with many hitting 200,000 miles. Its iconic style appeals to enthusiasts. Motor Trend, 2025, praises its durability. A CarGurus owner said, "My 2007 Mustang's at 230,000 miles, still a blast to drive." 16. GMC Sierra 1500, 2003 to 2007, $6,000 to $10,000. The GMC Sierra 1500 shares the Silverado's reliable 4.3-liter V6 or 4.8-liter V8, often reaching 300,000 miles. Its rugged build suits work or play. Consumer Reports, 2025, highlights its longevity. A Reddit user noted, "My 2005 Sierra's at 280,000 miles. Never quits." 17. Twist, Lincoln Town Car. Here's the twist that'll spark debate. The Lincoln Town Car, 2003 to 2011, $4,000 to $8,000. Like the Crown Victoria, its 4.6-liter V8 is a taxi favorite, often hitting 400,000 miles. Its plush interior offers luxury on a budget. Edmunds, 2025, calls it a hidden gem. A Cars.com owner said, "My 2006 Town Car's at 390,000 miles. Pure comfort." The twist? Its limo-like reputation makes fans debate if it's the ultimate sleeper for durability. These 17 American cars prove you don't need to spend big to get reliability that lasts forever. Which budget gem is your favorite? Drop it in the comments, especially on that town car twist. Smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car deals that keep you rolling. See you on the road?